Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Chipotle. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chipotle.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Chipotle website, from which you can either create a new account if you haven't done so already by clicking on create an account, or proceed with signing into your account by clicking on sign in. Now click on the sign in button and you will be taken into the sign in page. Now if you wish to change your password, you also have the option of logging into your account by entering your email address and your password and then clicking on the sign in button, and then from within you will need to search for the change password option. But right from this login page, you can simply click on the forgot password button to change your password from a shortcut. So go ahead and click on forget password, and now you will be asked to enter your email address. Simply type in the email address that you used while creating your Chipotle account in the first place and click on the continue button. You will then receive an email within your inbox from Chipotle. Just open up the email and click on the link inside, and once you click on this, you will be redirected into a new page which will allow you to create a new password for your account. After choosing a new password for your account, you can use this new password along with your original email address to sign into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Chipotle. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.